Did Srila Prabhupada descend to this world from the spiritual world? Was he sent by Lord Chaitanya? Was he the general sent by Lord Chaitanya from the spiritual world to this world? Was he a gopi? Is he a manjari? Is he a cowherd boy? Well, we're going to answer that question. And the answer to this question is, it doesn't matter. Srila Prabhupada was asked whether he was an eternally liberated soul. It means a soul who was never conditioned, who had descended to this world. And he said something interesting. He said, it was said in my last life that I killed a snake, I was a doctor, and had to come back and take birth. What does that mean? I thought he descended. Or does it mean that he descended long ago and he remains in this world life after life to preach? Does it mean he's always here, he's always preaching? Does it mean he became perfect in the last life or this life? And what did Prabhupada say? He said, it doesn't matter. He said, because when you become perfect, it doesn't matter what position you came from. Just like if you're perfectly healthy, it doesn't matter if you were ill. Now, of course, generally we say, no, Prabhupada descended. One of his godbrothers said Prabhupada told him. Krishna said, come down and write books. We have the Senapati verse, Mahaprabhu will send a general. So many verses. And we like to think of Srila Prabhupada as one who descended. But does it really matter? No. What Prabhupada said, and this may be hard for us to accept, Prabhupada said, do as I'm doing, become as Krishna conscious as I am. And even he said, make more disciples than I have made. And one time Prabhupada woke up one of his sannyasis about 1 a.m, and he said, what are you doing? And the sannyasi said, I was sleeping, Prabhupada. Why you're sleeping? Srila Prabhupada, I'm tired. It's 1 a.m. Why you're tired? I am up translating books. Why are you not up writing like I'm writing? Hare Krishna. What did Prabhupada mean? He meant that you too, you, me, all of us, can become as Krishna conscious as him. Now, we would never feel that we could be. Naturally. Who are we? Prabhupada is in a different league. But Prabhupada is saying, you can be. You are by nature Krishna conscious. You can be as Krishna conscious as he is. That's interesting. He wanted to show us that what he's doing, we should do. He set the example as a grihasta, responsible, going through the difficulties, remaining Krishna conscious. Yes, as I did, you do that. As I took responsibility for the mission of my spiritual master, you do that. As I every day have sadhana, you do that. As I think of Krishna always, you do that. He didn't want us to think, I am different from you, I am special. I descended, I'm a cowherd boy. You're a conditioned soul. We're much different. He wanted us to think, as I am doing, you do. As I have become, you can become. So that's important. Whether Prabhupada descended, whether he didn't, whether he's a cowherd boy, whether he's a manjari, it wasn't important for him to let us know that. What was important for him to let us know is that we can become, we can follow his example and try to become like him. Do as I am doing. Hare Krishna.